if you go in settings, then scroll down to go in safety and tracking, here you will see LiveTrack. So basically anyone can track you live, and when you go on to auto start, it will tell you to set up contacts in your Garmin Connect app. So once you set up your emergency contacts in the Garmin Connect app, you will be able to send your location to anyone, and they'll be able to track you live and notify these recipients and their respective messaging as well, which basically allows the people who are following you to send you audio or text messages. Then there is live event sharing. So for example, if you're taking part in an event or a race or something like that, you can share that live event. You can add the recipients from the Garmin Connect app. You can set up message triggers. So for example, start every lap or end. You can also set this all up from the Garmin app. There is a message example here. So the example could be, I just completed 3 miles in 25:30. So whenever this feature is triggered, people you're sharing this event with will get a message like this. There is also incident detection here. So you can set up emergency contacts in the Garmin Connect app, and they'll be notified of any accidents or anything like that. Then there is assistance. Again, you can set it up from the Garmin Connect app. And finally, there are emergency contacts that you can add from the Garmin Connect app.